Hi, today for the OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here we'll see ringtone volume panel, and just to mute ringtone we should hold and slide to the left side that's dot. Also we have one more way how we can do that, just by use the volume buttons, but first be sure that in advanced settings here in volume button function you have selected ringtone volume by using the volume panels. And now let's just check and see that by pressing the down volume button we can also mute our device ringtone, and we can make it by the third way just by slide to the down with our finger this volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.